The U.S. government will before long have experts to shoot down private drones thought about risk. The Senate this week passed the FAA Reauthorization Act, which restores financing for the Federal Aviation Administration until 2023. It likewise intends to modernize avionics governed by making business flights more agreeable for handicapped travelers and acting against exclusive drones. In particular, Segment 1602 Security of Specific Offices and Resources from Gunmen Airships approves the recognizable proof, observing, following, and takeover of automatons without earlier assent, including by methods for block. Authorities enabled to seize and control gunmen flying machine, utilizing sensible power, if essential, to cripple, harm, or demolish the gadget. Such opportunity, social equality bunches contend, can't without much of a stretch be manhandled by the Departments of Justice and Homeland Security, basically transforming the skies into the Wild West. Gunmen aerial vehicles have picked up fame among specialist pilots, movie chiefs, voyagers, and columnists. Help, Dolce & Gabbana even supplanted its human model with drones amid the February mold appear. However, the gadgets additionally observed as danger, smashing onto the White House grounds and sneaking cell phones through China. The American Civil Liberties Union ACLU and the Electronic Frontier Foundation EFF have reproved the bill. Flying of automatons can raise security and protection concerns. There are circumstances where government activity expected to alleviate these dangers, the gathering wrote in an ongoing blog entry. Be that as it may, this bill is the wrong methodology. Different commentators incorporate the Electronic Privacy Information Center EPIC. It said the enactment overlooks squeezing worries about the protection effect of automatons and needs to gauge security shields. The bill is presently on its way to the President's work area. It relied upon to mark into law